If you are a school or district that uses CK12 and also Canvas or Schoology, we recommend that instead of creating CK12 classes, you simply install the CK12 app within those platforms and make all of your assignments there. To get started with this, go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the CK12 webpage and click on our Tools and Apps link. This will take you to a page with the overview on how these different platforms work with CK12, and you can open up the link for Schoology to see that page with all the directions and guides, or similarly, the same link for Canvas. In either case, you'll see a little box that says installing the CK12 app in Canvas or Schoology, and that link will take you to our Help Desk article related to that topic. From here, you can click on the link to request your consumer key and secret. Now, we do recommend that if you have a paid version of Canvas or Schoology, that your IT or admin person request this key. That's the best way to go about doing that, because they will be installing it at the district or school level. That really keeps it clean for all teachers and all classes. You don't have to install it in each class as you work your way through. So go ahead and have your IT person fill that out. Though if you are using a free version just as an individual teacher, you do have the option to do that as well. Once your IT person fills this out and submits it, they will get an email asking them to verify their email address. And when they click on that, they will see this great pop-up that says verified. And the last step is actually to click on this link to email the keys to them. Once they have the keys, they can install them at your site version of Canvas or Schoology, and you will be all set to go to access CK12 through the external tool in Canvas or when adding materials within Schoology.